Sniffles the crocodile and Punch the butterfly. In the swamp on the far side of the forest lived Sniffles, the crocodile. Sniffles was always shedding big crocodile tears or going sniff, sniff. Even his mum was quite tired of him and would say, "Stop snivelling and crying. Start behaving like a crocodile. Go, hunt for your food." Sniffles would burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal. So, Mum and Dad had to feed Sniffles every day. Sniffles did not want to be a crocodile. "I'm so ugly," he thought, bursting into tears. He did not even live like crocodiles did. His friend was Punch, a golden yellow butterfly. Punch wanted to be big and strong, so Punch always had her feeler curled into a fist, saying, "Look out, I will punch you in the mouth." They made a very funny pair, Sniffles swimming with Punch perched on his head. The other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. That did not bother Sniffles. He continued crying, sniffling, and being friends with Punch. One sunny afternoon, Punch settled herself near Sniffles' ear and told him, "I have seen 2 men come this way with guns. They want to kill crocodiles for their skins." "Don't these men have skins of their own?" asked a puzzled Sniffles. "I don't know, Sniffles," said Punch. "Tell the other crocodiles and hide." "Punch, they might shoot you." "Oh, what will I do?" said Sniffles, sobbing. "People catch butterflies with nets and pin them to a board. My grand-aunt told me," said Punch, and flew away. The other crocodiles heard Sniffles crying and shouting, "Men coming to kill us! Hide! Hurry! Hide!" At first, the other crocodiles did not believe Sniffles, but then they heard the men's footsteps. The crocodiles went deep into the river and left some rotten logs floating on the water. The men shot at the logs which looked like crocodiles from afar. The men could not see any crocodiles, only hundreds of butterflies that flew into their faces and hair. Shaking their heads and trying to brush off the butterflies, they said, "There are no crocodiles here. We will bring nets and catch butterflies." And off they went. All the crocodiles got together and thanked Punch and the other butterflies. The next day, the crocodiles saw men with nets. Sniffles remembered Punch telling him about nets. "Punch, the nets! Come here, quick! The men with nets have come!" All the crocodiles came to the river bank. The butterflies settled on the heads and backs of the crocodiles. A few of the crocodiles made a circle around the men as they came closer. They snapped their jaws. Sniffles was in the front, gnashing his teeth and whipping his tail around most menacingly. The men were so frightened that they took to their heels and ran right out of the swamp. The other crocodiles were very proud of Sniffles, as he had acted like a real crocodile. Now, Sniffles was also proud to be one.